Formal na nilagdaan ng Balibago Waterworks at Hausland Holdings Incorporated ang isang Memorandum of Understanding o MOU upang palakasin ang kampanya para sa pangangalaga at proteksyon ng Abacan River. Pinangunahan ni Balibago Waterworks President Crisel Alejandro at Hausland Holdings President Attorney Ryan Tan ang signing of Pledge of Commitment na ginanap nitong June 8 sa Balibago Waterworks Head Office sa Barangay Pulong Maragul, Angeles City.
This is an important partnership signifying that cleaning up the Abacan River is important to companies that are based in Angeles, and also our constituents are from Angeles, right? We have a large, around 24,000 customer base in Hausland. We have, I'm sure also dozens of housing facilities. So this highlights how critical it is for us to protect the Abacan River. And hopefully, through the cleanup drive, we can make it once again a thriving, clean river which can be a source of water for years to come.
Sa pamamagitan ng kasunduan, naging pinakabagong private sector partner ang Hausland Holdings sa Abacan Program, isang environmental initiative na inilunsad nitong April 22, 2025.
We're very excited and very much privileged to be part of this undertaking. In Hausland, our purpose, we see our purpose to be to transform land to improve lives. And as Crisel correctly mentioned, housing and the development of land basically is very much intertwined with how we use our water resources and eventually our wastewater. And it is our ambition to be the leading community builders. And we're very happy, Crisel, that the community that you are building here is not just to bring together like-minded people for social works or recreational gathering, but of a very lofty goal and an undertaking that benefits not only us in the present but in the future.
Patuloy na isinasagawa ang programa sa pamamagitan ng buwanang cleanup activities tuwing ikatlong Sabado ng buwan, kung saan nasa 10 partner organizations na ang aktibong nakikilahok. Ang Abacan Program ay pinangunahan ng Balibago Waterworks at Metro Angeles Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o MACSI sa pamumuno ni President Elizabeth Carlos Timbol. Layunin nitong palawakin ang kamalayan ng publiko sa kahalagahan ng pangangalaga ng mga ilog at iba pang pinagkukunan ng tubig. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.